Hello guys, there we have a Lenovo TAB M11 Plus, and today I will show you how you can send and receive fax messages on this device. So we have to start from the download FAX app. You will find a lot of here in the Google Store. I choose that one. Of course you can choose another one. So we have to launch this application, and how you can see now we're in the send fax mode. To choose your document, click here and choose the source of it. You can choose the image from the gallery or PDF from the download files, or just take a photo. I will choose something from my gallery. Sadly I don't have any photos, so I have to pick one now. If you have your photo uploaded, we can now adjust a shape of it. And if you're ready, click here. Now you can choose the filter for it and add a signature by this icon or a text by this icon. You can remove everything by this one. If you are ready, click here. And now you can add more documents, or just send this one. To send this one, just type a number here, and optionally you can give a small note here. To send it, just click on this button. Now to receive a fax messages, we have to click here, and now we're in the receive fax. Now just get a fax number here. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.